good morning friends, welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So this time I am making a very cute and very attractive looking sweet dish, and I'm sure you are all going to love watching it, and do tell me how you find it. Friends, we are making muffins today. I'll tell you the ingredients. This is wheat flour. We have taken oil, sugar, and we'll add a pinch of baking soda so that it may rise, and this is whipping cream. With it we will do the topping, and plus we have also taken chocolate syrup as well as Hershey's strawberry syrup. We will also use them. So friends, now we will mix them. We'll take this oil, and then this is sugar, and now we will add some water and we'll mix it. So friends, we have mixed everything, and now in the last we'll add baking powder. So friends, we have taken this tray, and now we'll put these like this, and now we'll add this. So friends, we will add our batter. We will keep a little low because it will rise. So friends, now we will put it inside the microwave and bake it for 25 minutes. So friends, we have taken this whipping cream and we will whip it and make it thick and light. So friends, we have whipped up our cream, and see, it is so light now. So friends, see, our muffins are ready, and now I'll tell you what to do. Now I have taken this, this is a, so friends, now I have taken this, and with this very delicately I will insert it like this, and we'll take it out. So like this, there will be a depression in the between, and we'll do for all. Friends, we have made depressions in each and every muffin. Now we'll put this strawberry syrup, and in some we'll put chocolate syrup, okay, and now we have taken this whipped cream and we will decorate it. See, like this we will decorate all them. Friends, we will decorate it now. I have taken chocolate pieces. You can take chocolate of your choice like this, and then we can also put them. So aren't they looking yummy? So friends, now I have taken chocolate powder and I'll sprinkle over them. Okay. So let me cut it and let's see how they look like from inside. Oh my god, yeah. See. So tasty and so yummy from inside. Wow, take its pick also. So friends, our so tasty, yummy and cute looking muffins are ready. You can make them anytime you want, and it won't take much time. So tell me in the comment how you find it, and next time what recipe should I make. You can also give me the suggestion. So take care, goodbye, have a nice day, love to you all.